see 30 miles an hour zone as well. I'm gonna go to gear 3 for a bit for the bend. And we're turning left at the traffic light, so let's stay on the left lane. Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. Today we're going to do a slightly unusual driving test route. It's going to be one of the easiest test route personally, I think, for myself. So I myself will be doing the driving test, showing you how to drive, and we'll be based in Ashford. It's a nice, wide, quiet roads, open roads, a lot of dual carriageways. So there are still difficulties in the test routes. You have loads of dual carriageways, A roads, and the side roads as well can be extremely narrow, but generally it is a fairly quiet area. So we're going to show you how to drive in such routes. Maybe in your area, in your locality, the roads aren't as congested. Maybe they're opened up, just like the routes that we're going to show you today. So from my point of view, it feels like it was a fairly easy route. But let me know if I made any mistakes. Correct me. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe for all the latest videos. We show you how to pass your driving test, how to pass your driving test first time, what the examiners look out for, how to impress driving examiners. So make sure you subscribe. I can hear squeaky brakes, so but anyway, we're going left at the traffic lights, 50 miles an hour zone. Check our left mirror, indicate left. Okay, going on to gear 2. Okay, silly driver, now he's going right. Anyway, we're going left. And check all your mirrors, up to gear 3, speed up. We saw 50 miles an hour. So that's the speed we're going to assume on this road. Gear 4 and then gear 5. And look, clear road, so make sure you do 50. Don't be afraid to do 50. If you've never done 50 with your instructor, practice in the area. Certain areas they don't have 50 miles an hour zone, such as Isleworth, but this driving test route has 50 miles an hour zone. And other places have 60. Go down to Hayes and you'll see 60 miles an hour zone. Bend, just slightly release the gas slightly, just for the bend, and carry on. Okay. You can see the speed signs. It's gone out to it's gone out to 40 miles an hour. Let's bring it down. Let's go down to gear 4. Check your mirrors. Watch out for the lights to change. Brake a little bit. Carry on. There you go. You see 30 miles an hour zone as well. I'm gonna go to gear 3 for a bit for the bend. And we're turning left at the traffic light, so let's stay on the left lane. So interior left, let's indicate left. Brake. Clutch down, going to gear 2 and we're gonna go. Double check the right. There we go. Check our left wheel one more time. And into the road. Up to gear 3. Look at the speed sign, it's about 30 miles an hour zone. Can you see it? So such a wide road, it's about 30 here, so make sure you don't break the speed limit. It's very easy to break the speed limit here. Let's go up to gear 4. Just clear the windows. Make sure you know how to operate the accessories on the car, the wipers, the demisters if need be. Now we can see speed signs about 40 up ahead. So let's start to speed up now. Very important you stay on the left lane so cars can overtake on the right. So one good thing about Ashford is, as you can see, it's quite a quiet area, really open roads, quite a few dual carriageways, so make sure you know how to deal with the speed as well. The tight roads are very narrow, but it is quite a quiet area, as you can see. Let's not also forget it's roughly about 12 o'clock, so that could be another reason why it's fairly quiet. We're going to be on the left lane unless we see a sign to go straight. So I can't see no signs yet. I'm going to be here. Clutch down and brake. So maybe this road only goes left. We're going to see as soon as he moves off. Maybe there's an arrow on the floor. We'll see. Check your mirrors just so you know who's on the right in case you need to move across to the right lane. Yeah, it's straight. It goes straight. We're fine. Go up to gear 2. Okay, brake and clutch. Of course, if you don't know the area, you have to assume the left goes straight. And if there is an arrow on the floor and you couldn't see it, the examiner has to help you out and tell you, okay, this lane goes left only, because those cars are blocking your path and blocking the arrow. But if you can see, then he won't tell you. The examiner will not tell you. You have to figure out yourself. So the first assumption should be left lane goes straight, which is the assumption that we made, and it was a correct assumption in the end. And that's the end of part 5. Don't forget to watch part 6, the last part, where we go through the whole mock test and analyze any mistakes that we've done. If you guys feel that I've made a mistake in any of the videos, leave a comment below. Let me know about your thoughts about the driving test. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.